Welcome to day 13, refraction of light at curved surfaces. So let us learn today with the lens maker's formula. This help to make the lens. So for that one we have taken a biconvex lens, and this is the principal axis, and the meeting point of this is optic center. The light ray is traveling along the principal axis without any deviation. So I will consider here two situations. One is surface 1, another one is surface 2. With respect to surface 1, you will get one equation. With respect to curved surface S2, you will get another equation. By solving, so by simplifying equation 1, that is with respect to surface 1, whatever the equation we got, with respect to that, and this equation, both if you simplify that, you will ultimately get the formula, that is lens maker's formula. Now, consider the surface, that is this surface S1. S1 is one surface, curved surface. The light is coming from the object. It hits strikes the curved or convex surface at point A and B fracts, and it travels and meet at one point I dash. And if this is my eye, so this light rays enter my eye and I can see the image here. That means image of this object I can see here, and that will be the image. So in the absence of surface 2, that means there is no surface. If you consider there is no surface, second surface, then the light would have traveled in this path. So with respect to this path, from here, this is the sphere. The center of this sphere is C1. So the distance between optic center to C1 is called radius of curvature, and the distance between optic center to I is nothing but image distance. For our understanding, I wrote V dash. And the distance between optic center and O, this is O, is called object distance. So case 1, in this case, so first case with respect to surface 1, what is the formula? We know N2 by V minus N1 by U is equal to N2 minus N1 by R. Here N2 is equal to what? What is N2? N2 is equal to NB. So refractive index of second medium. So light is traveling from rarer medium to denser medium. N2 is the refractive index of denser medium. N1 is equal to NA, and R is equal to R1. This R1 is this side, therefore I have taken plus R1. So if I substitute here NB by V dash, NB is here, NB by object distance is V is V dash, so minus NA, N1 means NA by minus U is equal to NB minus NA by R1. Here minus of minus become plus, NB by V dash, so plus NA by U is equal to NB minus NA by R1. This is equation 1. This is the case 1 and equation we got. First equation. And with respect to surface 2, this surface here, the distance between the center of curvature and optic center is called radius of curvature. R is equal to R2, and it is left side we take minus. And second is this becomes I dash becomes the object for this surface. This concave here, light is coming in this one. This is behaving as a concave surface, and let the meeting point is B. So the light is, instead of going directly, it bends towards the normal, and this point will be displaced, and it comes here, bend and meets the principal axis at this point. Let us consider as I. I is the image. This is the image when the light is passing through the lens now. This is not from the surface, through the lens. If we pass and meets here, and this distance I am denoting it with I. Here N in case 2, if I take N2 is equal to, what is N2? Light is traveling from denser to rarer. So this becomes second medium, this becomes a refractive index of first medium. N2 is equal to NA, and N1 is equal to NB. That is next R is equal to R2 minus R2. So if I substitute in this formula N2, what is N2 here? N2 means NA by what is V? That means V V nothing but from here to here. This is V. From here to here. V is V only. So minus NA. So NA nothing but object distance. Object is this I is the object. So from here to here, this is the object. Written as NA. This is NB. This is NB by V dash is equal to NA minus NB by minus R2. So I'm simplifying by this. How what happened? NA by V minus NB by V dash is equal to NB minus NA by R2. This is second equation. Now, the first is this equation, this is the first equation, and this is the second equation. What we have to do? See here, NB by D dash, here also here, NB by D dash. So, when these like terms are there, better to simplify by adding. So, I adding equation 1 and equation 2. What I will get? Here, this NB by V dash, this NB by V dash gets cancelled. This will be cancelled. Plus NB by V dash minus NB by V dash gets cancelled. Here I will be having NA by U. Here plus NA by V is equal to here NB minus NA by R1. NB minus NA by R1 plus NB minus NA by R2. This is the formula. I take NA common here. So 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to NB minus NA into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Now this NA, if you send that side, we have to, that means that becomes multiplicative inverse. It will be the NB by NB minus NA by R1. If you divide that in this one, I'll write it here. N 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to NB by NA. Completely will write minus NA by NA into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So here 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to N B to A, that is refractive index of B, the medium B with respect to medium A, minus 1 into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. But here, according to this one, according to sign convention, but U is equal to minus U according to sign convention, and R2 will be minus R2. Why? Because all according to sign convention, this is plus R and this will be minus R. As I indicated here, this side will be taken as positive, that side will be taken as negative. Now substitute here. 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to NBA minus 1 into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. This 1 by V minus 1 by U nothing but formula for length. So length equation or length formula. That means 1 by F is equal to N minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2 according to sign convention, where N is nothing but here. Why did you have taken N is nothing but here, when this lens is placed in air, the relative refractive index of air is taken as absolute refractive index. That means NA by NA will get only cancel and get 1. So like that, here refractive index with respect to glass here with respect to glass is taken as n minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Here r1 and r2 will not be cancelled in any situation. If n1 is negative, n2 will be positive. If n1 is positive, n2 will be negative. Why? Because one is convex surface here, one is concave surface. Okay, that's why this will not be get cancelled. This is the lens maker's formula. So if you want to know the focal length of a lens of any lens to be found, so we should know the radius of curvature, refractive index, radius of curvature of the two surfaces, and refractive index of particular medium. That becomes the lens maker's formula. This is how a person will prepare or make a lens according to the parameters given. So thank you for listening.